Hello everyone, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
In the previous session, we have started on the subqueries. What is subquery?
Query within the query.
What are the types we have in the subquery?
Total single row and multi-row subqueries.
I have given the assignment queries.
Yes, ma'am.
You all are joined in laptop. The scans were nice. Okay, Sneha, can you share your screen? Okay. What is the first query, Sneha?
Write a query to display all the employee details, those who are working in same designation as of Mahesh and Dheeraj. Select start from employee. With job in. Once again, select
Job
Job.
spelling.
Okay. Job in employee. Where condition. Name in Mahesh.
Keyword M in spelling. In spelling is incorrect.
Madam.
Do not close and subquery
Yes.
parentheses.
I think
In
it's
spelling
in
incorrect.
IM you have
Okay.
given IM. Everyone, any doubts in this query?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, Sanjana, can you tell me the next query? Sanjana,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
next query.
last two class I have not joined, ma'am.
You
I
haven't
will go through the
gone,
notes.
not yet gone through the
The record.
recording sessions.
Today I will check.
Okay. Vaidehi, next one.
Okay. Write a query to display all the employee details. Those who are working in same department number 10, 20, 30. Select star from employee. Then where department number in, open the bracket. Select department number from employee. Where department number in, 10, 20, 30, close both. Semicolon.
Where will get like more data since people who are working in 10, 20, 30 are more, right? In our table. Okay. Next query, Amrita.
Write a query to display all the employee details, those who are joined in the same date as of Sanjana and working in department number 10, 20, and 30. Select star from employee, where hire date is equals to select hire date from employee, where EMP name is equals to within the double quotes Sanjana. Uh, Close the bracket and department number in 10, 20, 30. The bracket.
Is it correct? Others?
Close both bracket at the end now.
Sorry?
Only difference is in my query I closed bracket both the bracket at the end now.
Yeah. The conditions are provided in such a way that they have given write a query to display all the employee details. So we are using the select star from employee, and after that they ask that those who are joined in the same date as of Sanjana. Okay, the date which when Sanjana joined, on the same date the other people who joined, their data should be displayed. And next, they have given another condition in that only, that they should be working in department number 10, 20, and 30. Okay, the conditions provided with the and. Then you should use the and operator. If you are using the and operator, then how can you close the parenthesis there? You can write inside the parenthesis only the subquery. You can't write after writing the main query, you'll write the subquery and again you join the and operator. That will be considered the condition you are giving is to the main query, not the subquery. Here, why it is executed means since you have directly given that department number in 10, 20, and 30. If they have provided some employee names directly or some other thing, then you won't get the output. Okay, you are going to get the error. Yes, Neha, execute. Understood. The answer will be same since because we are using the AND operator. The one condition should, if the if we have 10, 20, and 30, since Sanjana is working in 20 department number, so we are getting it. If she is working in 50 department number, we are going to get the empty set there. Right? Why? In AND operator, how the AND operator works?
If both the values are true,
Any
then
one
true.
Yeah, then only we are going to get the output. If any one of the condition gets false, we will be getting the empty set or error. Okay, understood? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, Hema, next query.
Write a query to display all the employee details, those who are earning a salary within the range of thousand to 5,000, and also earning salary same as of Namrata and Vishnu. Select star from employee where salary in open parenthesis. Select salary from employee where salary between 1,000 and 5,000. And this open parenthesis, I mean, it write in brackets, open parenthesis and close the parenthesis.
On where?
1,000.
From 1,000 to 5,000, we should write the open like we should write it within the parenthesis. This
And
way.
yes, and employee name equals to double quotes Namrata and Vishnu.
And Vishnu. Sneha.
And
Just a minute, Sneha. Don't execute. Hema, did you executed this?
yes, ma'am. I executed with, I mean, keeping, and I mean, 1 second, ma'am.
Yes, Sneha, you can execute. Did you got the answer, Hema?
Oh, yes, ma'am. I'll try it in this way. I got the answer. I mean, I get
Then
the.
why here she's getting the error?
Okay, I mean, from Namrata and Vishnu, it right within the parenthesis.
Yeah, ma'am.
Just a minute of.
I don't know it is correct or wrong, but I tried it.
Okay, I want you to explain the query.
Okay, write a query to display all the employee details, those who are working and those who are earning a salary within the range of 1,000 to 5,000. They are asking all the employee details and display their salary between the range of 1,000 to 5,000, ma'am.
Okay.
and also they are asking their salary same as of Namrata and Vishnu.
Yeah, they have given that you need to display all the employee details.
Yes.
So, okay. Then they have provided two conditions that the salary, the people who are earning the salary, that should be between 1,000 to 5,000. And another condition is that the salary they are earning same has that should be same as of Namrata and
Vishnu.
Vishnu, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How to use the between operator? What is the syntax here?
I mean, they are asking like within the range of, right, ma'am?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
Between operator. What is the syntax to use the between operator?
I mean, compared to both values.
I want a particular syntax. How do you write syntax for between operator?
Um, Select star from employee
Mhm.
and select star from employee. Select if they give any both two values.
Okay, for example, I'll take the values has value 1 and value 2.
Okay, ma'am. Select star from employee
Mhm.
where salary between 1 and 2.
Uh, uh, Sneha, just type it. Where? Yeah, Hemant. Where salary?
Salary
Sorry. Not salary. No.
between.
Sneha, no salary. Salary is not required. I'm just telling her to say the syntax. Yeah, Hemant. Where?
Ma'am, can you repeat the query?
Yeah, Hemant. I'm not asking you the query, okay? Here I want the syntax.
I'm asking you given me
I just given that take
value.
the first and say last value as value 1 and value 2.
Okay. In this
Mention that in the
where
syntax
salary
has value 1.
uh, where salary values, ma'am.
I didn't provided you any of the column name, table name, anything. Nothing I have provided you. I just want the syntax.
Okay. Where LH is between, is it right, ma'am?
Okay, fine. Just leave it now. If you have the multiple data, like multiple rows data, if they provide it, like for example, department number 10, 20, 30 people who are working in department numbers 10, 20, 30, you should display them. Which operator you will go for?
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Come again.
If you have provided in a query, so you have to display 10, 20, 30 department numbers people. The people who are working in 10, 20, 30.
Okay.
Those
Select
people you need to display. Which operator you will use?
in operator.
Yeah, then why you used employee name is equal to? Another thing,
Ma'am, I'll try.
between syntax, did I said in the between syntax you should use the parenthesis? You should include the parenthesis.
Ma'am, I'll try it with the in operator also, but it is getting empty set.
Empty set because you are using the AND operator, that might be the both the condition might be false. So you are getting the empty set.
Okay.
Sneha, can you write the query where salary in select salary from employee where salary between 1,000 and 5,000. Salary from see here you can't no don't close the parenthesis. Did you written in this way, Emma?
I mean, without parentheses, ma'am.
Yeah, without with parenthesis or without parenthesis in the between of it.
Wi- Without parentheses, also I tried, ma'am. But
Okay. And let us try in that way. Employee name in
without
with the
parentheses,
names.
I tried, ma'am, but it gets an error. I mean, error.
Okay, I'll tell you why. Where's the one? See, Namrata data is displaying here. Does everyone written in this way only?
Yes, ma'am. This way.
Okay. Sneha, I'll tell you, just type it in that way. Select start from employee. Select start from employee. Where salary between 10,000 and 5,000 and salary in the within the parentheses. Select salary from employee where EMP name in within the parentheses, write down the names. Execute. See, here we are getting the same answer. Okay. Here in the above thing, I included the condition, both the condition inside the subquery. Okay. In the next one, differentiated the between operator into the main query, and I just included the another condition into the subquery. Okay. Whatever you write, you are going to get one data since it is matching. Both the condition are matching only with the one data. Okay, maybe the thing is Vishnu is getting the salary more than 5,000, right? So we are not getting the Vishnu's value here. Understood? Hema, just
Yes.
go through the syntax and go through all the, if I mixed up the topics in a query, just go through the syntax, then start to write the query. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. If you missed any one like parenthesis or some commas, or in the place of in you have used equal to operator, everything matters. Okay. If you got the answer, for example, you have written the query and you have got the answer, you don't know it is correct or not.
Correct.
Since you got the answer, okay, I got the answer. You will be stop there. You will stop there. Is it correct or not? You won't validate. Okay. So after getting the answer, guys, just try to validate. Is it correct or not? Why you got the empty set? Maybe you have done something there. maybe you have given the values of something, or I don't know what happened, how the query was written. Okay,
So
like
because of
if
parenthesis only, it is showing empty set, ma'am. I tried in same way, but I used
okay,
parenthesis in between the range of 10,000 and 5,000.
okay, fine.
And she
So
missed in operator also, no? In operator.
sorry.
In that query, she missed in operator, right?
Yeah,
No,
that's all. That all the things I said. I was telling her she tried and she got the empty set as the answer, has the output. So
Yes, ma'am.
if you are using the AND operator, one thing for sure you should keep it in mind that if the values are not matching, okay, then sometimes you will get the empty set. Okay, so just try to validate the things, then you will get the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
I was tried in this way. I
Okay.
mean, I was get the answer like full table, ma'am. All the table get displayed.
Might have missed somewhere.
Okay, ma'am.
Somewhere like for like a little part or something you might have missed, because here it is getting na, it won't differ, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just check it once again. If you find again that query, just ping me out. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm, yeah, chemical Lakshmi next query.
Write a query to display all the employee details, those who are joined the company in same date as of Namana and Hema and earning salary same as Naveen. Select star from employee where hire date in in operator, open parenthesis, select hire date from employee where name in open parenthesis in within a double quotes Namana, comma, within double quotes Hema and close parenthesis and salary equal to symbol, open parenthesis, select salary from employee where name, where employee name equal to within double quotes Naveen and close to parenthesis and semicolon.
Okay. Here we have two conditions, right? We have one is that the people who are joined, like yeah, who are joined in the same date as of Namana and Hema. And another one thing is the people who are earning salary same as of Navi. So here we can use in the place of equal to, or you can use the in operator, okay? Or if here, since they have provided just a one data, one value, that is Navi, so it is okay to use the equal to operator. But if you are provided directly that this is the multi-row subquery, better to use the in operator itself. Okay. Because in the multi-row subquery, we won't use the equal to operator. And if they have provided more than one value, use the in operator in both the place of equal to. Okay, in operator, if you give one value also, it will take. It doesn't have a mandatory or it should have a multiple thing. No, in not in such a way. You can use the in operator for one value also, for multiple values also. Okay. Everyone written in the same way or any queries regarding this query?
No, got the implicit only.
Same.
Okay. Yeah, Ashwini?
No, ma'am, same like that only we also write.
Okay, fine. Then, yeah. Yeah, Ashwini, next one.
Okay. Write a query to display all the employee details. Those who are working in same department number as of Bindu, Kavya, and Lakshmi, and earning salary within the range of 2,000 to 8,000. Select star from employee where department number in, open the parenthesis, in the double quotation, Bindu, comma, Kavya, comma, Lakshmi, close the parenthesis, and salary between 2,000 and 8,000, semicolon.
Just a minute, please. Yeah, continue. Yeah, Ashwini, can continue.
That's it, ma'am.
That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For which like topic I have given the query? Did you use just subquery here? And another thing I want to ask, how can you write where department number in Bindu, Kavya and Lakshmi? Bindu, Kavya, Lakshmi comes under the column department number.
No, ma'am, employee.
Then that is the reason why we use the subquery, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Another thing, guys, here, if they have provided, see, between operator is provided directly by giving the values, right? So, better to use that between operator, just link it with the main query. Okay. Don't link it with the subquery. You will get the answer. You will definitely get the answer if you include it with the subquery inside the subquery only, because the conditions will be provided in there only. Okay. But better that since the data is given directly, like in the salary column, the people who are working between 2000 to 8,000 or 5,000, I need those people to be displayed. So it is simple and it is directly asked thing. And another thing they have provided, the people who are working in the department number has of Bindu, Kavya, Lakshmi. Did they have provided any department number?
No.
No,
Yeah, they're just asking that they want the department number. They want the people who are working in the department number same as of Bindu, Kavya, Lakshmi. So you can't provide in the department number column these names, right? The names will comes under employee name column and the numbers or the department numbers will come under department number column. So be particular with the query, just understand the query correctly. If they have provided the direct condition, just connect that condition with the main query. If they have given the condition in an indirect manner, then you have to write the subquery. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Afrin, can you tell me the query? This answer.
Yes, ma'am. Select staff from employee where salary between 2,000 and 8,000 and department number in open parenthesis, select department number from employee where employee
Just a
name
minute. Just a minute. Sneha, she said, and department number.
and department number in open parenthesis, select department number from employee where employee name in open parenthesis within double quotes bindu comma Kavya Lakshmi close to parenthesis semicolon.
I think everyone understood the queries. Okay. And just follow the things which I said. Okay, while writing the query. Okay. Clear?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I'll try it now only.
Mhm.
I was tried it now only, but again it's getting like empty set.
Okay. Share your screen. Okay.
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yeah. Yes. I think you have shared the particular tab.
Oh, wait, ma'am.
You should see share the entire screen. Just stop sharing again. Share it.
Ma'am, it's visible to you.
Yeah, it's good. It's visible. Show me your table.
Uh, Ma'am, is not visible to you.
It's
Ma'am,
visible. It's visible.
and last line has to become it should come before, right, ma'am?
No, not like that. Uh, like it should come last. And operator, you can give any one of the condition first or the last. No worries. Okay. Sure. Yeah. You have written, like you have started the subquery. Okay. As I said, as Afrin said, like she also said, like the where condition you have salary between that should come last because here you have started the subquery and you have not provided the condition which is given for the subquery.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, first you have given the condition that is given directly. Just type it how I'll tell you just type.
Okay, ma'am.
Select start from employee. Where salary between 1,000 and 5,000. Okay, this is the condition that is given directly in the query. They have provided a clear condition that they want they want us to display the people who are working with the salary between the range of 1,000 to 5,000. Okay, so there no need to include the subquery for this. Subquery why we use if there is an unknown value, means the value which is given in an indirect manner, on that time only we are going to use the subquery. So after that, after writing the direct condition that is provided, you can start with the subquery. Again, use the AND operator
Ma'am?
and write and type. Then you should start writing the subquery here. What is this condition provided in the way like salary?
Where salary in select salary
Salary same as of Namrata and
and
Vishnu,
Vishnu.
right? So you should give the column salary. No. You should not use the where condition again. See here, the main query. What are all the things it contains? Select. Then you are going to use the table name from where you are fetching. You have mentioned it. Then you are going to write the where condition. Why you use the where class? To write the condition. Okay. And you can use the condition. You can use the where class just once in a query.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? You have used where class in main query already. You have used. Okay. So you need to start like salary in
Select
write the subquery. Yeah, write down the subquery.
select salary from employee where employee name in
Yeah. We are checking the notice. Have you given the same values as per like the table which I given?
yes.
Did you change any salary things or something? Just I'll try. Yes, Nikita. Yeah, Nikita, you want to tell something?
No, ma'am, no, my mistake.
Ma'am, Namrata's salary should be 4,000, right? She has put 15,000.
So I'm asking her, like, did she change anything or what? When I don't know, I didn't open my tables to see. Just I think you might have changed something in the salary or something, okay, in the table, in case of table. So you are getting the empty salary.
Yes, ma'am. Namrata's salary should be
Yeah,
4,000.
Namrata's salary is 15,000 and another name you have provided Vishnu. Vishnu salary is
6,000.
like it's 6,000. Since they are above the range which we have provided, so you are getting the empty spot. Okay.
Ma'am,
In
in old table, I mean, which you have provided the table. I mean, when you said the create the table, right, ma'am?
Mhm.
When you said the create the table, I have created that. In that table, it have only 15,000 Namrata.
Yeah, correct. In my table it is 15,000. Maybe they all have changed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. No worries. Did you get this? Just the thing is, if you are using the AND operator, just remember you have the chance of getting the empty set. Okay.
Okay,
If
ma'am.
you have any doubt, just validate with the table. You will get the answer. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Right.
Okay, thank you. Can I stop
Yeah,
sharing?
yeah, you can stop. Okay, anybody have any queries? Clear everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. As I said, in the multi-row subqueries, which are all the operators we can use?
In any and all.
Yeah, any and all. We know in operator how it works. Okay, but this any and all operators. This is nothing but here also these operators any operator and another one is all operator. Okay. This any operator and all operator is used same likewise the relational operator or special operators. Why we use those operators? To compare the LHS value with the RHS value, right? So here also we are going to use this any operator and all operator to compare the LHS value with RHS value. Okay. How the any operator syntax looks means select should mention star or column or any column. Then you should mention the table. After that, we are going to use the wait class for mentioning the condition, that is LHS. Here, if they provided any of the relational operator, you should mention that relational operator. After that, in front of that, you are going to use the any operator. Then you will write RHS. Okay. Here, what is this LHS and RHS contains? LHS mainly contains normally the column name, right? Then we are going to mention some relational operator depending on the query provided. Okay. If they have mentioned less than or greater than something in that way, we are going to use that symbol on the place of relational operator. And in front of that, you need to mention the operator name which we are using, that is any operator. Okay. And comes to RHS. What we are going to write in the RHS means RHS will contains the subquery. Got it? Clear? Same here in the while writing the query. For example, if I given the multiple data, you are using the in operator, right? While starting the subquery,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Same in the place of in operator, we are going to use the any operator, and then we'll start writing the subquery. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But here what happens, how the any operator works means like LHS value, it should contain just a single value. Okay. And RHS that can contain more than one value. Means more than if we are providing more than one data also it is good, or more than one queries, or more than one condition we are going to provide, right? In that way also it will accept. Okay, but LHS value should be one. Only one value it will accept. How the any operator works, I'll just give you the example. See here, example is I'm just providing the condition where 20 greater than any of the department number, that is 10, 20, and 30. The condition is provided in such a way that 20 is greater than any of the department number 10, 20, and 30. Okay. Now, what the compiler will do, it will compare each and every value with the 20. 20 is greater than 20 is greater than 10. True or false?
False.
True, ma'am.
True, ma'am.
False.
True, ma'am. True, ma'am.
Yeah, it's true, right? 20 is greater than 10. And 20 is compared with 20. Is it 20 is greater than 20?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So it's false. And we have 30 that is compared with 20. Sorry. Next, we are comparing this 20 with 30 value. Is it true or false?
False.
False, right? But what happens if we use the any operator? We have three values provided. We need to compare the three values with the one value that is provided as 20. Okay. We have one condition true. Okay. But what happens? We are going to get the output with the true condition and also with the false conditions. Because any operator works similar to OR operator. What happens in the OR operator? If if one of the condition is true,
Output will be true.
displayed, right? Output will be true. The same way in the any operator also, if any one of the condition gets true, then the output will be true. But in all operators, what happens? It is vice versa. It works similar to AND operator. If all the conditions are true, then only it is going to display the output, or then only the output will be true. Okay. Same syntax, just we are going to replace it with the name all. Okay. This is the syntax for all operator. For example, where where 80 greater than all 10, 20, 30. Every condition gets true, right?
Yes, ma'am.
See, when you can see like any operator, all operator. Okay. It is a simple English word. Any. Any means any one of them. Here we have 10, 20, 30. The 20 should be equal to any of them. Okay. Means it should be equal, it should be greater than any one of the given values. Okay. But here all operator, here what is this mean? 80 should be greater than all of the values which is provided. Okay, clear. In the condition only we can understand that. If we are using any of the operator means any operator means any of the value is providing true or any of the value that is satisfying the condition, then we are going to get the output. If we are using all operator, then it should satisfy all the conditions, then only we are going to get the output as true. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This is about any and all operator. Just we have two examples on this, and little time. I'll give you the notes tomorrow. Okay, I'll continue the class. Sorry, not tomorrow. Next week. Clear? Any queries regarding any of the topics or any of the queries?
Ma'am, foreign key. Are we going
Foreign
to
key,
do
it's just sorry. Yeah,
some? We'll do some queries, ma'am, on foreign key.
foreign keys, you require the huge database. You can know that yeah, foreign keys, like if we have a huge database, then we can separate that database. We can separate that database by using different tables. Then we can join them by using the joins concept. Okay, you should know that thing. If you have the huge database, like there are some companies, some websites, for example, Google Chrome, everybody are using those things. They require those foreign key. They use the foreign keys to join the tables by making the like there will be division of tables. They will join them so that we need the foreign key for that.
Ma'am,
Okay.
foreign key cannot have values which are not present in primary key. It means what, ma'am?
Means like the primary key. If we have provided, what is the primary key? It is a combination of unique as well as the
Not null.
null value, right? If the column contains null value, it is acceptable. If the column contains unique value, is also acceptable column. Okay, the foreign key won't compare with that thing. But it should be the primary key. The values which is we have in primary key, we have candidate key as well as the alternative key, right?
Okay.
There we have one thing that some columns can be considered as a primary key, but we can't consider them as a primary key. Okay. Those columns also can be considered in the foreign key. The column which is similar, like which can be satisfy the rules of primary key, those columns only we can accept for the foreign key. Means if we are creating a relationship between the two tables, then the columns of the table should be in such a way that should be built in such a way that it should have the okay, it is acceptable that it should contain null value. Okay, then it is not unique, that is also okay, but it should have some qualities. We have some characteristics of primary key, right? Those characteristics should be there in the column.
Ma'am, can we say then like primary key is parent table, then wherever we have foreign key is child table?
Sorry.
Primary key, if a table contains primary key, it is a master table
Yeah,
or parent table, and the table which contains foreign key will be called as child table.
yeah.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Has any doubts? Others?
Ma'am,
Yeah, him.
I have created the employee 1 and employee 3 tables in the same database where I have created the employee table. Is
Okay.
is it wrong, ma'am? I
No,
mean,
no,
like,
no. It is correct. It is correct. No worries.
you have created the another database, right?
Yeah. I have created it in another database. No worries. You can create how many tables you want in a day in a database itself. Just the thing you will mention the table name, right? So no worries.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, MySQL and SQL are different, ma'am.
Yeah, they are like in some default things they will be different. Means like as the version changes now we have a Oracle is handling, and we have so many differences from the older versions, right? In the same way, there will be some differences. Maybe in some writing the syntaxes or mentioning some of the statements, maybe in such a way. I didn't use that much. Like I used to use this one only, MySQL Workbench. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then this look up on Monday. I thought of completing this week itself, but I couldn't. Maybe it will take some 3 days, 3 days more.